Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So today I'm going to recap day 142, and it's November 21, 2024. So I've been absent for the past 1 week or so. That's why I didn't release any videos. So these are the days that I was absent on. So from day 139 to 141. Um, Today I didn't get any trades on both EU as well as CU. So what happened on this day? So let's jump into the thoughts and see what happened on this day. But before I proceed, I just want to let you know that there was Red Folder news right on the stroke of the Frank. Sorry, there was a Red Folder news at 7 p.m. So this doesn't affect our trading because our trading will be from 7 a.m. GMT plus one to 3 p.m. GMT plus one. So this is at 7 p.m. GMT plus one. So this will not affect our trading. Let's jump into whiteboard and see what happened on this day. So let's start with EU on the daily time frame. The EU, the swing structure is bearish. The internal is also bearish. If I zoom in, price has swept the buy sell liquidity, and obviously the target would be the sell sell liquidity. The price swept the sell sell liquidity first, and then it swept the buy sell liquidity. Now it's going to target the sell sell liquidity. Price price moves from buy side to sell sell liquidity. So yeah, there is some sell sell liquidity up, the buy sell liquidity above, but as I mentioned in the previous video, if there is a steep bearish run, price will not make a deeper pullbacks unless and until it has taken a major surge of liquidity and mitigated into a high probability demand or high probability POI. So this is the 4-hour chart. The swing structure is bearish, the internal is bearish, and the price has swept the buy sell liquidity. Here you can see the price has swept the buy sell liquidity. Now all I need to look for is some bearish chalk something in the H1 and take shorts at target the daily target. So it's as simple as that. So this is the 4-hour supply and this is the 4-hour buy sell liquidity just for my reference, but it's not mandatory that the price needs to take this buy sell liquidity before pushing down because there may be some immediate buy sell liquidities in the H1 time frame. This is H1, the string structure is bearish, internal is also bearish, and this is the weak internal that I'm going to target, which uh, coincidentally became the daily target. So this is the 4-hour buy sell liquidity, which may or may not be targeted. But for me, even if the price takes out the Asian eyes and then chalks bearish, I would be happy to take shots. And the thing is, price did take some buy sell liquidity, but it's not the Asian eyes. It just took out this buy sell liquidity. So that's how the bearish momentum plays out. If the bearish momentum is very strong, price will not take out buy sell liquidities as expected. It will just take whatever the buy sell liquidity is available and then it continues the bearish momentum. In this case, it took this candle's high. It did not even take out the Asian highs above. So it did not even take this one and it made a strong bearish move. And this will be my POI and I can look for shots from this freshly formed POI. My price didn't mitigate this one. The price did mitigate, but I didn't get any opportunities. So I just carried out, and this was my POI. This was my POI, and I could look for trades from this POI. And this is phase A2, and these are the conditions, and this the POI. Okay, 4 out of 4 criteria is met, and these are the other confluences. You can just have a look, and the price came into this POI. It did not have a lid, so I need to wait for and pull back investment, that is LC2 models. And price made a fake chalk here. The price made a chalk, and the pullback investment was taken out. And I could have placed the trade right here, and I placed my trade right here, but I didn't get tagged in. The price took out this high, so I had to cancel the trade. So at the end of the day, price took out the buy sell liquidity above this one and then started to push down. So all this was a low resistance to liquidity, which again is a is a footprint left by a market that I'm going to come down. Yeah, it is what it is. Like it is a good opportunity. So if this if this high was taken within the session, then I could have taken the trade. But unfortunately, it happened out of the session. That's why I was not able to capitalize on this one. Not every day will be same. Sometimes it plays out, sometimes it doesn't. The thing is, I must be consistent and do not take rationalist trade. I mean, irrational trade. So this is GU, and the GU is bullish from the swing perspective, and it is bearish from the internal perspective. If I zoom into the current price action, that is the internal structure. Price took the buy sell liquidity, and yeah, price will obviously go to the sell side liquidity, which is a daily target. And also there is this demand which the price is I'm expecting the price to mitigate. So double the confidence for taking shots. So this is 4 hour. The swing structure is bearish. Internal is also bearish. Here also we can see the price has strongly liquidated the buy sell liquidity. Now it's high time that the price will take out this low resistance liquidity, the daily target, as well as the weak internal low, whatever way you call it. So this is H1. The swing structure is bearish. Internal is also bearish. If I zoom in, yeah, here you go. Price, I expected the price to take out the buy sell liquidity right here, but I'm also okay if the price takes out the. I'm also okay if the price takes out the Asian ice and then Asian ice and then Fox bearish. I can take trade from this viewer. So anything is fine for me. Yes, as expected, price did not take any buy sell liquidity, either this one or the Asian ice, and price started to come down directly. And what liquidity did this take? This just took the highs of this candle and then came down. So this would be my POI from which I can look for shots. But the thing here is, this is a 7 a.m. candle, but it made me slightly escape because this is kind of a liquidity sweep. The bullish rejection is very much stronger than the bearish presence, which made me doubt whether the supply is in control or not. So I decided to wait for another candle, that is the end of the 80. This is the 8 a.m. candle that has been printing. So if the 8 a.m. candle closes below this chop, then I would confirm that the supply is in control. Then I can look for shorts. But currently, I was not interested in shorts because of a strong bullish presence and a strong bullish reaction. And yeah, price actually made that strong bullish reaction that I expected. And it just took the buy sell liquidity above this candle and made a strong bullish reaction. So this became the POI, which I wanted to trade with. But unfortunately, price did not mitigate this POI and it started to rally down. Sorry, just a sec. This is the confirmation that the price will is going to come down. So this was the POI that I expected the price to mitigate, and it did mitigate. Then why I didn't take any trades? Okay, I think I need to investigate this one further. So this is November 22, 2024. I think it's better that I jump into the charts. Okay. And this is the missed trade, which I didn't November 22. I think I didn't realize at that point of time. November 21. This is November 20. Yeah. So zero Honda. Okay, this is the chart. I think this is a chart with a bearish candle. Uh, this is not the chart. This is November 22. Okay, this is November 22. Same thing. Okay, I'll just check this one and make the adjustments. Yeah, this is how I ended. And there could have been a trade, but I think I need to check this out probably. So if I check this out, I'll know what happened on this day. So anyway, I didn't place any trades on this day. Suppose if there was an opportunity here, then I'll just update you in the next video. But for now, I didn't take any trades on this day, and price obviously reached the area target as mentioned. So yeah, this is what happened on this is what happened on this day. So this is how I didn't get any trades on this day. Yeah, see you on the next day on the November 23, 2024 Friday. Until then, cheers guys, bye.